The first time we ever allowed a contractor into our home was to update this laundry room. At the time, there were no cabinets, countertops, sink, or faucet. This was the work we wanted them to do. The guy we hired seemed really nice and quoted us $5,000 for the project. He wanted half up front to purchase the cabinets and other materials, so we paid him $2,500. We blame ourselves for what happened after because we didn't know what to look for in a contractor, including verifying their ROC number. The guy ghosted us for months. We couldn't get a hold of him, and when he finally showed up, he had the wrong cabinets and refused to change them. Him and my husband almost got into a physical altercation because the guy would not leave our property. The ROC number he initially showed us wasn't even his. We later found out that this guy had scammed several other families who lost tens of thousands of dollars. We felt horrible for those families and thought how much worse this could have also been for us had we taken on a larger project with him. The $2,500 we lost was inconsequential compared to what the other families lost. Could we have taken him to court? Sure, but honestly, it wasn't worth it for us at that point, and we just wanted to move past the situation. We ended up finding a very reputable company who came in and completed the job for an additional $5,000. Needless to say, we haven't had contractors back into our home since then, and given what we know now, Bernard could have easily completed those upgrades himself. So the moral of our story, my friends, is please do your homework when selecting a contractor to complete any home improvement projects in your home. As you saw, we added horizontal shiplap and painted it pure white by Sharon Williams. I think the white gives this corner a clean, fresh look, and eventually when we do replace the washer and dryer, it'll be with a darker set, so that'll amp up the contrast. Have you ever tried liquid sandpaper? It worked really well at the gloss in the cabinets instead of traditional sanding. I also caulked the cabinets for an even spray paint finish. I love a two-tone combo on cabinets, and so we only repainted some of the cabinets. This color is Cracked Pepper by Behr. For some added dimension, I chose a stone tile backsplash. This is actually a peel and stick product. However, since we have textured walls, they weren't sticking like they should, so we added some liquid nails behind them, and that did the job. We finished up the space with a fun play on your typical window trim and new hardware to bring it all together. I found the perfect set of storage containers to keep us organized, and also some cute decor pieces to really make this a space I'd want to be in. Now, I don't like doing laundry, but having this beautiful and functional laundry room definitely motivates me to get the task done. I'd love to know what's your favorite addition in our laundry room. I've also linked as much of the decor and organization products as I could in the description box below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.